NIO is about to leave the train station. Are you ready for what's coming? Today, NIO hit $7.82 per share. That's a 4% increase from Friday's close. This movement is backed by solid performance over the October Chinese holiday. William Li is confident of achieving targets for the end of the year. NIO will hit 150,000 deliveries, meeting fourth quarter goals and becoming profitable. The demand for the Onvo L90 and ES8 is so massive. The ES8 alone for pre-orders is hitting 80,000 vehicles, and the wait for one is a year away. I'm really hoping NIO's factories can ramp up to catch up to all this demand. However, that's not a problem. With their innovative pricing and tax incentives, I believe customers will wait patiently. If customers pre-order a NIO today, they will not have to pay any taxes till 2026. This is based if the vehicle's price is $32,000. Because batteries are rented, they are not part of the purchase price, which gives them a tax incentives right away. A huge advantage that NIO has over its competition was revealed during the Chinese holidays. Not many people know that NIO has been building their charging station infrastructure along scenic routes where no other charging stations are available. This gave NIO brand recognition. Other EV owners saw NIO's coverage with envy. Over the Chinese holiday, NIO showcased immense value to shareholders and customers. This trend is speeding up. Don't sleep on it. NIO ain't going to pick you up. You have to jump in the train. Follow this channel and get the latest updates. All aboard!